In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to do hot oil treatment for your strands, which is very healthy. So I've got my selection of oils here. I've got my avocado oil, I've got sweet almond oil, I've got argan oil, I've got sunflower and castor oil. So these are my oils. The reason I chose these oils are because of its nutritional values. For example, sweet almond oil, it helps with breakage, split ends. Sweet almond oil also has magnesium, vitamin A, and other rich minerals in it. So, for example, your argan oil, it does help with conditioning and moisturizing capabilities. It also has fatty acids and vitamin E as well. It helps with breakage. Sunflower as well has vitamin E content and helps with frizz and shine. Sunflower is very conditioning to the hair because of its fatty acids, and it also has vitamin E in it, making it also nourishing to the hair and scalp.
Hello Royals, thanks for clicking on my video. There is never a dull moment on this channel, I promise you. I feature hair videos, skincare, with a sprinkle of my personality. If these are of interest to you, my Royals, and you like to see my face or my hair on your screen, kindly press the subscribe red button and leave a comment below. Thank you. Merci.
Castor oil, it's very conditioning and it helps with breakage. As you know, castor oil is a very thick oil. This oil helps with locking in moisture. It prevents breakage and split ends. This oil, castor oil, it's also antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory, which will make it a good environment for the hair follicles. So that's the reason why I chose all these oils. So moving forward, I'm just going to decant my oils like so. This is the first time I'm using avocado oil that is like golden in color. Most of my avocado oil, this is the way they look, darkish gray color. I hope you're mixing your own oils as well. I've got a surprise for you. I want to make this hair oil go a notch higher. So I'm going to put tea tree oil as well into my mixture. Just few drops will do. And shake. Now I've got my hot water here. Then I'm going to put this into the hot water for like few minutes and take it out. Once you follow my process, your hair is going to really grow. You're going to have really long hair and healthy hair as well. Not just long hair, but healthy, beautiful curls. Keep watching this video. I'm going to apply this on my hair and show you the right way of applying hot oil for your hair.
The very first thing you would like to do first is to apply water on your hair to hydrate your hair. Then you put your hair in sections like I am doing in this clip. After doing so, start finger detangling each section. You have to take your time while you are finger detangling. Then I put that section into a twist. Then move to the next section and detangle gently. The purpose of doing hot oil treatment is to deeply moisturize your hair and take out all the frizz from your hair. So before you do this, you have to hydrate your hair like I said before. Then you proceed to all these details. If you like, you can comb your hair after finger detangling, but I don't use combs on my hair. I rarely do use combs, if I must say. Then you can see how I am using my hands on my ends to catch away any tangles that might be there from my previous protective styling. I put my hair in different sections because when I'm applying my hot oil treatment, I want to coat each and every strand so that every strand of hair on my head is all healthy. So once I finish this process, so that I don't forget, I like to oil my scalp first. All the patterns there, I will oil it. After doing so, then I will untwist a section and start putting the oil on my scalp from root to the ends with the technique you'll be seeing in the short clip. You're going to have really long, luscious hair. As you can see, I've got loads of strands on my head. Even though I've got thin strands, my hair is high density of fine hair, if you will. Can you see I'm not just pouring it in one section? The little twist I've done, I untwisted and I'm applying the oil. And that is why you see my hair, it's very, very healthy. Too many strands, too many. From my root, everywhere is densely packed with strands. Then I work the oil into my hair like so. Yeah, let me know in the comment section how this oil is working for your own hair. As you can see, as I raked my hair through my hands, it went seamlessly, even though I didn't even use any comb or brush. Take your time in doing this treatment. It took me like an hour for my own density of hair, so do not rush it. Even though this video is about 15 minutes, do take your time. I'm showing you how I successfully apply this oil treatment. Especially if you have kinky, coily hair, you have to use this method. Always come back to check how I've applied it and watch the video while you're doing your own hair, because if you have thick hair or even thin hair and you just apply it anyhow, some part of your hair will be moisturized, some part of your hair will be growing, while other part will not be healthy. So can you see my hair? Just watch my videos all the time. Anytime you need to do your hair, put on my videos and watch and do your hair. For that section, I am flat twisting it because I want more hydration into that section. I like doing this hot oil treatment on my hair. The ways I enjoy myself or treat myself by doing this application on my hair. Can you see how moisturized my hair is? I realized that the water was cold and this is a hot oil treatment. I went back and changed the water and I realized that the nozzle was not fully open, so this will help me add more oils, and I redid the other two sections off camera. So make sure your nozzle is open enough for your oil to come through. Can you see the way I'm massaging my scalp and my crown? I baby it. The oils were dripping down my neck, so I've got my towel there. Wow, I'm just enjoying that. If you check the before clip and now, you can see how moisturized my hair is looking. After this, I'm going to put my hair in a plastic bag and wash. Royals, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and see you later.